Ladies and gentlemen, we all now welcome the lovely Twenty Beauties in their long evening gowns. So here they are.
Svetlana Martinez, a student at MNSU Batak, taking BS in Tourism Management. She loves traveling, that's why her ambition is to tour around the world. The sponsor is the Barangay Council of Barangay San Julian, headed by Barangay Captain Randy Maquera. That's candidate number 1, is Svetlana M. Martinez.
Number 2 is Mida P. Takiru, a BS in Information Technology student at the Cagayan State University, Sanchez Mira campus. Her ambition is to become an IT specialist, while her hobby is watching TV. Candidate number 2 represents the Barangay Sirit under the leadership of Barangay Captain Danny Paragua.
Candidate number 3 is a student at CSU Sanchez Mira, taking up BS in Information Technology. She dreams to become a successful IT specialist. Playing softball and listening to music. Our sponsor is the Barangay Council of Barangay Canayon, headed by Barangay Captain Ruben Montenegro. Ladies and gentlemen, that's candidate number 3, Claudine May, Teo Campo.
Carlos A. Africano, a Bachelor in Secondary Education student, major in Social Science at the Cagayan State University, Tuguegarao campus. Her dream is to become an agent, ushering the country to be one of the best in the world. She loves reading, singing, and dancing. Candidate number 4 represents Barangay Pinili under the leadership of Barangay Captain Ray Reyes. That's candidate number 4. Let's welcome candidate number 5. Miss number 5 is Camille A. Vela, 16 years of age. A high school graduate at the Bulug National Rural and Vocational High School. Her dream is to become a beauty queen someday, and she loves painting. Candidate number 5 represents Barangay Bagu under the leadership of Punong Barangay Thomas M. Bugarin Sr.
Candidate number 6. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 6 is Eileen Joy A. Leopardo. A student at Harvester University, Manila, taking up BS in Tourism Management. Her ambition is to become a successful flight attendant. She loves playing chess and badminton, and she's a part-time model in a business company in Manila. Her sponsor is the Barangay Council of Barangay Bidang, headed by Barangay Captain Cornelio De Santos. My friends, ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 6, Eileen Joy A.